Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm about to show you the most insane AI tool for creating videos and AI influencers that you've ever seen in your life. And I promise you, I am not joking right now. This tool lets you build incredibly realistic AI models, generate full AI influencers, and create content that looks like it came from a professional studio, all by yourself, all from scratch. And I'm not just talking about images. I'm talking videos, brand ads, product promotions. Anything you can think of this tool can create it. Take a look at some of the content it generates. You see that? That is AI. That's what we're working with today. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to use this tool, from creating your very first AI influencer to generating full videos and brand content. And the name of this tool is none other than Influencer Studio AI. Images, videos, AI influencers, brand product ads. If it has anything to do with marketing and advertising, this is the only tool you need. Everything is literally at your fingertips. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's jump right in and start creating. All right guys, right here is one of the most well-designed interfaces you're ever gonna see in the market, and it's called Influencer Studio. We're gonna click on the dashboard and boom, look at this beautiful interface, guys. You've got everything right here. Influencers you can create, storyboards, video editing, ads, viral organic videos, cinema mode, talking head videos, motion videos. This platform does it all, but today we're focused on one thing, creating our very own AI influencer. So let's click on Influencer. Now it's gonna load up. We're gonna click on Create Influencer and let it load. Now you have two options here. You can upload your own picture, or you can let the AI generate one for you. I'm gonna go the AI route today to show you just how powerful this thing is. So it's gonna load up a library of faces, model faces, influencer faces, all generated by AI. And guys, the quality is insane. It's completely your choice. Whatever kind of model or influencer vibe you're going for, you'll find it right here. So I'm gonna go with Priya, the Indian girl. I'll click on her and it loads up this page. Now here's where it gets interesting. You pick your character's features, ethnicity, body shape, you've got supermodel, busty, pretty, all kinds of options. Select what works for you, then click next. Influencer Studio is now going to generate a set of the best influencer faces for you to choose from. Just wait for it. Don't rush this part. This is the selection phase. Pick the face that feels right for your brand. Take your time, pick wisely. Once you're happy, click next and let the AI go to work. Now this is the training phase, guys, and this is important. Influencer Studio is now training your influencer model. And just like that, you'll see the finish symbol pop up. Click finished. Guys, we have officially created our AI influencer. That's it, done. Now click on your influencer and you'll see all the different things you can create with her. For images, you've got a prompt box right there. And if you don't know what to type, no stress. Just hit surprise me and let the AI decide. I love this feature because it saves you so much time. I'm gonna change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit surprise me. The AI is now crafting a prompt for us, and this is exactly what makes Influencer Studio so powerful. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. The tool does it for you. Click generate and watch what happens. Guys, our images are ready. Look at these. You can scroll through, explore them, edit them if you want, or just go ahead and download the ones you love. You can also tap on any image to zoom in, check the details, see how sharp it is. And here's something cool. You can tap transform to video right from the image. You can turn any of these into a full viral video using AI. But let's keep moving, because next up, we're creating our video. Now, remember that surprise me button from earlier? It already saved the prompts for video too. So you don't need to start from scratch, it's all there waiting for you. No stress. Scroll down, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Set the duration, I'm gonna do 10 seconds for this one, and hit create. Influencer Studio is now crafting your video, guys. And one thing I genuinely love about this platform is that it takes its time. It's not rushing the output. It's making sure it looks clean, sharp, and cinematic. You can see it generating in real time. In just a few minutes, it's done. Okay guys, it's time. Let's play this video. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at how clean that is. Really bright, really sharp, really detailed. This is peak AI content right here. This blows everything else out of the water. Other tools don't even come close to this level of quality. You can go ahead and download it, just hit the download button and it's yours. And it even has audio, guys. You can set it to your preference or use the script section. The whole thing is customizable. If you're satisfied with your video, download it and let's move on. All right, next up, we're creating ads. Head back to the home screen. Click on the ads section. This is where the magic happens for brands and products. Now, I've already added the Apple brand here as an example, but let me show you how to do it from scratch. You simply go to the brand's website, copy the URL, head back to Influencer Studio, paste it in the URL field, and click Scrape Website. The platform pulls everything, product details, images, even the price tag. Now, choose your ad style. I'm gonna go with auto design, and for format, we'll use video ad. Click continue, select your influencer, we're using Priya, click continue again, add your product link, click fetch products. You saw it pulled the AirPods Pro at $129. That's all automated, guys. Review everything. Add any special instructions you want, choose your mood and style, set the ratio to 16:9, and hit create. No prompts needed, no stress. It's doing everything for you. Guys, our ad is ready.
Cute throwback.
Let's look at this.
Better
wow.
upgrade.
You cannot tell me that is
AirPods
AI.
4
that
fit
looks
like
like
a dream.
a real brand campaign. The details,
out,
the quality, the professionalism,
around.
Influencer Studio absolutely delivered. That is what this platform does. Every single time. So guys, go ahead and try it out. Drop a comment and tell me what you think. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the viral content feature to create and post content that actually blows up. You don't want to miss that one. Thanks so much for watching today's class, guys. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. It means everything. I'll see you in the next one.